Hey students, what kind of tree can fit in your hand? A palm tree. Hello students and welcome to your next mission. Today's mission is all about rounding to the tens place. This skill will help you whenever you need to find a close by number and do a little quick mental math. So let's jump into some vocabulary. Today we're only going to mention one vocab word, and that is rounding. Rounding is whenever you are taking a number that you're working with and making it a little bit simpler so that maybe you can use it later on. Right? It's a very useful skill. Let's say you're going to the grocery store and something costs $39. It might be easier to say $40 so that you can add that quicker. So let's jump right into your example. Today we're looking at the number 72. I drew a number line so that you could see that it is between the numbers 70 and 80. Whenever we are rounding to the tens place, your answer is going to be something you can count to by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so forth and so on. Now, let's look at our example. On your mission launch, you see you have the number 72. So I want to start with looking at what two tens that 72 is in between. It is in between 70 and 80. My second step is to look at what is in the middle, in the very middle of 70 and 80. That would be my number 75, and that would be right here. So then I have to think, is 72 bigger or smaller than 75? Since it's smaller, I know that it's closer to 70. So I'm going to round my 72 down to 70. Another way you can do this is by starting with the number you're given and counting back to the closest 10 and then counting up to the closest 10. Whichever one is closer is what you would round to. So if we started at 72, we would count back 1, 2 to get to 70, but we would have to count 8 more to get to 80, again showing that 72 is closer to 70. So just to recap, whenever you're rounding, we're just trying to find a simpler number than the one we're working with. And to be more specific, when you're rounding to the tens place, your number is going to be a number you can count to by tens and will always end with that 0. All right, now let's get started. If you need a little bit more help, let's go visit that breakdown. If not, then get started with that mission. Good luck.